Howdy folks, Jason Perry here with Blacksmith for Fun. Wanted to announce our launch of Blacksmith for Fun across all platforms. You can find us on YouTube, Facebook, many other places. We're branching out. You can look us up on blacksmithforfun.com. Be patient with us. We're not professional video editors. We're not professional website developers. We are a bunch of blacksmiths from around the world that's having fun. Blacksmithing forges friendships that last a lifetime. So make sure you like us, subscribe us, get on the private groups, get on our email list. Any way you can stay in touch, whatever way you like to stay in touch. If you have other ways that you want to stay in touch, reach out to us. Let us know. Give us some comments below and let us know what things you are looking to learn about blacksmithing. Folks, we're going to be giving a lot of great tips all the way from the beginning basics, how you can get started on a low budget or even no budget. We're going to show you how, if you do have a budget, we'll show you some very good equipment that you can use. If you don't have a big budget, we can show you some very good equipment that you can build. If you need a tool, make a tool. That's part of the blacksmith's mottos. So folks, we invite you to come find us any which way you can. Make sure you share it and let others know, because together blacksmiths are going to have a lot of fun here at Blacksmith for Fun. Have a great day.